Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the March 2022 Double Shot Kit. So the Double Shot Kit is our smaller kit that includes two brand new collections. You always receive cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments, everything you need to get started. You also have access to two recipe cards. These are double page layouts that our design team designs for you, and then they give you the cutting instructions and the dimensions and a photograph so that you can see the finished layout so you can create right along with our talented design team. Something new coming that I am so excited about: from now on, all of the kit subscriptions that are sent out, you will also receive access to an exclusive cut file. So if you have an electronic cutter, you can use these. It's my understanding there will also be like a JPEG, so if you want to manually, or not manually, but hand cut these out, you can trace them off and use them that way. So be sure to check that out. I've dropped a little graphic in here. This month it's the Hello Spring. These are being designed and offered to you by Cut to You. So give them a great big old shout out, and Rochelle as well, because I think this is a great addition to the kits each and every month. And as you can see, in our kit this month, we have a spring collection, and we also have an outdoors collection that's a little bit more guy oriented. Of course, you can use it for anything. So that's really exciting. And so the Hello Spring cut file will be perfect for this. And you can also use it even for the great outdoors. So I can't wait to see what you create with it. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at each one of these so that you can see what you're going to receive this month. The first collection we're going to look at is from Photo Play Paper, and this is called Hop to It. So it's all about spring. You can document Easter. It's just awesome. I just love all the spring colors. I'm ready for spring. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock, a sheet of Sunbeam. These are your patterned papers. This is Spring Has Sprung, has all of the beautiful butterflies in different sizes on the white background, and the back is that beautiful butter yellow with white polka dots. I love a polka dot, and that's a beautiful yellow. This paper called Spring Garden, which has the birdhouses and the pots of flowers and the tree, the birds on the yellow background. The back is a pink gingham with a small green pinstripe as well in it. This one called Egg Hunt has all of the Easter eggs on the white, and the back is a stripe with all of the colors from this collection. So I love these B-sides. For your embellishments, you're going to get the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have a scalloped border down here that's in the stripe, and this one's fun because it has small scallops and larger scallops in it. Lots of little word labels, a border of butterflies, and then tags, titles, all kinds of stuff. Love the banner of the carrots and the little tags that spell out eggs. That would be fun to drape across with some twine or something on your page. And tabs with all of the spring little words. And check out the cute little bunny in the basket. So that is Hop to It from Photo Play Paper, ready for all your spring documenting. Your second collection is from Photo Play Paper as well, and this is the Great Outdoors. So like I said in the intro, this is perfect for documenting all of the outdoor activities that you do, or just a kind of manly theme. Boy theme is great, but of course there's flowers in here, so it doesn't have to be. But I know that several people are always looking for more guy-oriented paper, so here you go. We have 2 sheets of craft cardstock, 1 sheet of stone wash. I love that blue. Pattern papers are this one called Wildflowers, and it's just gorgeous. The back is a 2-toned gold with these little leaves and flowers in it. This paper, Go See Do, is a diagonal stripe. You'll see all of the colors that are in this collection. The back are borders that can be cut apart or use it as a full sheet. Lots of different icons, lots of images to kind of get you an idea of what you could document with this collection as well. Row Your Boat is this gorgeous dark wood grain. And the back are all the different canoes on the blue background. So one more look at your patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get a yard of blue and white twine. You're also going to receive some enamel dots. And then you're going to receive half a pack of the ephemera pieces. So these will vary among the kits, but this is what I got. I have some circles, a frame. This one's a little scalloped circle with a Jeep. The one that got away, explore, fish, and the paw print says camp. So lots of things to make titles and to decorate with. So that is the Great Outdoors from Photoplay Paper. One more look at your double shot kit for this month. If you're looking for more collections, then check out our flavors of the month because it includes 4 brand new collections, and you can also add on paper and cardstock and more embellishments. We also have the Shots of Life. We have a card kit. Lots of things in the store that you can shop and add on to and have shipped with your kit. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with this month's kit.